Hello friends, today we have question cube root of 4 and fourth root of x minus fourth root of 3 and cube root of x which is equal to 0. And we have to find the value of x. So let's start. We can write the given equation as cube root of 4 and fourth root of x which is equal to fourth root of 3 and cube root of x with we will take this term to the right side of equal side. So now we will divide both sides by cube root of 4 and fourth root of 3. So from here this and this will be cancelled out. Similarly, fourth root of 3 and fourth root of 3 is cancelled out. Now we have remaining fourth root of x divided by fourth root of 3, and here we have left cube root of x and cube root of 4. So we can write it as x divided by 3 and root is 4 which is common, and it can be written as x divided by 4 and cube root is common here. Now we can also write it as x divided by 3 and it will become 1 by 4 which is equal to x divided by 4 and it will become 1 divided by 3, because fourth root of any number is equal to power 1 by 4. Similarly, if cube root, then power 1 by 3. We will take power 12 on both sides. So it will become 4 1 times 4, 4 3 times 12 and 3 1 times 2, 3 4 times 12. So it will become x divided by 3 whole power 3 means cube, and here x divided by 4 raised to the power 4. So we know that if a raised to the power if a divided by b whole power n, we can write it as a raised to the power n divided by b raised to the power n. So we will apply here this exponential rule. So we can write it as x raised to the power 3 divided by 3 raised to the power 3, and here x raised to the power 4 and 4 raised to the power 4. So x raised to the power 3 and 3 cubes means 27. Here x raised to the power 4 and 4 raised to the power 4 means 256. Now cross multiplication, so it will become 256x cube which is equal to 27x raised to the power 4. Now it can be written as 256x cube minus 27x raised to the power 4 which is equal to 0. Now from these two values we have x raised to the power 3 is common. So we will take x raised to the power 3 and we have left 256, just 256 because x raised to the power 3 is common here, and minus 27x because x raised to the power 4 divided by x raised to the power 3 is equal to x raised to the power 1 which is equal to 0. So from here we have two factors, one is x cube and second one is 256 minus 27x which are equal to 0. So from here x cube is equal to 0 and also 256 minus 27x is equal to 0. So taking cube root on both sides, cube and cube root will be cancelled out and cube root of 0 is 0. So x is equal to 0 from here. Now we'll find the value of x from this equation. So it can be written as 256, which is equal to 27x. Okay, negative will be positive when it changes its position from equal sides. So from here 256 and 27, dividing both sides by 27, so it will become just x. So from here x is equal to 256 divided by 27. So here we have two values of x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 256 divided by 27. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.